Hello, welcome to the channel again. Today the project's gonna be preparing the fields for the horses. The horses are about to come, and unfortunately my chainsaw, my motor one, it's broke. There's no way to use it. But what I am going to do is use my ox, the steel ones, and I want you to stick with me and to follow me because I'm gonna show you how it's going to be the workout at the farm. Let's go. Alright, the first thing that I'm doing here is making sure my ox is gonna be very sharp, and I have this stone that I sharpen my knives, sharpen my tools, make sure that the workout today at the farm will be intensity. Alright, follow me. Timber, back off, timber. This area over here, it's where we keep the vehicles, it's where we unload trucks, and I just try to make sure that it's going to be clear. Back off a little bit. My cameraman is too close. Try to let him know to be a little bit far away from my swing. Timber! Come over here, look at the ants. Look how angry they are. Look how angry they are. Back off a little bit. Alright, so this is pretty much done. Now we're going to the fields where the horse is going to stay. Look, I'm getting strong, I'm sweating. This is a good workout when you're on the farm. Follow me. How to take this off? I'm going to get this one here too. Alright, these three over here, in the last hurricane, it came down over the fence here, and I came and I cut it, but now it is growing again. I just want to keep low and avoid growing because I don't want another tree over here. This is the water sprinklers. On summer we use the sprinklers to cool off the horses, but when we are on the winter or heading to the winter, we don't need anymore. And then I just put over here to move later. I don't want to cut it because we might need it. Very important. When we are doing this kind of job, this workout on the farm, be aware of snakes, spiders. We already showed you guys the angry ants, but just be careful and make sure that you be safe first. Cricket. Oh, he just flew, right? I don't want to bother him. All right, back off, cameraman. Also, another thing that I'm very careful about it is waspins. Also snakes. Make sure when you do those kind of job on the field, you don't see snakes. All right, this is done. Now we're going to the field. All right, so this next one over here, it's double job, double workout. I have to cut it and make sure no roots will be left behind, because you're gonna have horses over here. We cannot afford the horse to get injured. So this is I believe, if you are watching the channel, I believe this tree is the flamboyant, very typical in Brazil, and you can leave your comment if you think this is a flamboyant tree. So it has to go down due to the hazard for the horses. Back off, cameraman. You go that side, it's not going to be hazard for you. Good. Back off a little bit. Almost there. Timber, not yet. Timber, almost. Am I gonna have to cut some branches first to help on the fall? And I always aim the axe on a way it's not coming through my legs. I always swing the axe on an empty area to not hurt myself. And when I go towards to me, I open my legs. Good, now am I gonna have a good fall? Go back here. There we go. That's the fall. I'll come back later. I'm gonna chop to drag to the fire pile, and I'll remove this later. Come, follow me. Follow me, next one. Alright, this is the next one. Not too big. As you see the field, we split the fields in 3 areas, and no tree with roots could be on it. Let's get this one done. Come close. Stay there to not get yourself hurt. Good. Alright, set 31 down, and I'll come back later to cut in small pieces and move to the pile where I'm going to burn it. Follow me, last one. Alright, now I can record me because I gotta go. Alright, so this one is in the other side, which is still our property. I'm gonna have to jump the fence and go there. Remember, do not jump fence on your life. Could be danger. Small one to avoid getting big. Easy cut. Very easy. Let me throw up there so I can come with the tractor later to pick it up. Now down here, the problem is going to be not hurt the fence, not hit the fence. Alright, watch out. Alright. So now back off a little bit. I'm gonna do a cut here. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. I don't wanna hit the fence. Alright, so it's pretty much done. So this is the workout at the farm. If you want to lose weight, if you want to gain muscles, get strength, this is the power of the axe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the next video.